Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question today is, what do I do if pests are coming from my neighbor's lawn? When we get this question, we usually assume you're talking about insects and not your neighbor's kids. In that case, there are some things that you can do to limit pests coming from your neighbors. And no, we don't mean being passive-aggressive or giving them nasty looks. You'll want to use good prevention strategies and high-powerful insecticides to keep the bugs away. Make sure that you limit any conducive areas, clean up any yard debris, overgrown areas, or clutter indoors. Be sure to take your trash out regularly and make sure that it's kept in tight sealing garbage cans. Also, turn off exterior lighting at night as the light attracts flying pests. Spray high-quality repellent pesticides around your home and property. This will not only kill the bugs that wander onto your side of the fence, but will also push them back over into the neighbor's yard. If pests are continuously coming from your neighbor's lawn, then that means that they have a significant pest problem. And you can do the neighborly thing and say something to them, like giving us a call or stopping by our website. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. Also, eliminate outside lights, as the outside lights tend to attract flying pests. I should probably redo that in different wording, shouldn't I? Light, 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 light. Just cut the lights off. That's where you keep from getting flying termites.